All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Pepe community. It's been about a few days since I made the last update. I've been quite busy, but still trying my best to give you guys as many updates as possible. But you guys know I can't leave the Pepe community hanging, especially during times like these. But, of course, we're back on schedule. If you like these daily Pepe updates, well, you guys need to hit that red subscribe button and come join the Crypto ZX army. But yeah, if you're looking across the board, we are seeing a lot of green right now, but I'm sure at this point everyone is well aware as to what has happened for the crypto markets over the last 1 week, and even the last whole month for February has been quite a bearish month. So again, no surprises there. But over the last 24 hours, we have seen a little bit of a uptick within the broader market, a little bit of excitement coming in. But again, long ways to go. If you're looking at Pepe, though, it's currently sitting at 84.59, up 3.1% in USD, up 6% in Bitcoin, and about 9% in Ethereum comparative. And of course, there's five zeros in front of the price now. Valuation at about 3.55 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $857.1 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we are looking at the holder count pretty much increasing. We did see this dip in the holder count on the 19th and the 20th, but other than that, you have seen that the holder count increasing day in, day out, meaning there are new holders coming in, and on-chain data does not lie, which of course is something that I really would like to point out, and I don't want you guys to obviously ignore this. But moving forward, the broader meme coin market, obviously we have seen a major pullback over the last few days. Bitcoin did exactly, and I repeat, exactly what we spoke about on this channel, and I'm sure everyone on this channel that follows me on a regular day-to-day basis is well aware of your boy Crypto ZX calling this. But anyhow, that's not what we're here for. We're here to really discuss that meme coins are actually holding better than the broader market right now, and I'm going to explain why that is. If you're looking across the board right now, some coins obviously gaining a lot of traction, but obviously compared to November and December levels, we are far from there. Complete bloodbath. And again, it goes back to what I've said: do your due diligence, research, and invest what you can afford to lose. If you've done that, have patience, and when you see the profits, lock those profits in. Don't listen to the YouTube comments. Don't listen to people on Twitter telling you it's not smart to lock in profits. It's always good to lock in profits, and I'm sure at this point everyone is well aware of that. But if you're looking at the dominance index, it did pull down quite significantly since the 25th, which again is a good sign, because you don't really want to see the dominance hovering around that range, because of course if it does and Bitcoin falls like the way it did, you will see much more worse price action for altcoins. But look at this, guys. I'm sure a lot of people can vouch for me on this. We obviously dropped below the 23.62 days back. We're unable to close back in that range, and of course after that we did see the likes of 86K first, and then yesterday we did see obviously 82,000. And this goes to what I said: we are seeing a little bit of a bounce. I know a lot of people are going to get excited, but not just yet, because of course obviously we're far off from where we really need to be, which again is this red zone, the 23.6. Until we get there, I still do believe we could still fall down to the likes of $80,000, potentially even making our way down to $77,000, and worst case scenario, the 73K retest for the first time since November 2nd. So those are some things I need you guys to be keeping in mind. But let's really take a look at what's happening with Pepe right now. So Pepe is pretty much holding quite well right now, and the reason why I say that is because we did see the broader market, Bitcoin, 11% pullback. But you didn't really see Pepe losing its grounding and going down to the likes of the 57.66 zone or something like that. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, that itself is a move of about another 28%. But compared to where we were prior to this pullback, I really want you guys to kind of take a look at it from that angle. So 25th. So we only saw a drop of about you could say 22%. And I shouldn't really say only because, of course, the broader market dropped, but I do believe that, compared to the broader market, a lot of memes are actually holding better, but that does not mean if Bitcoin drops below obviously 80K, we don't see Pepe moving down. Of course, Pepe is going to move. I think we get drop below this key support line, which of course is playing as a support for us quite significantly. You can see this for yourself. If this support does not hold, like I said, we could be actually falling down to the likes of the next main support, which again is at a 61.9 zone. And again, if you want to put that into perspective, that itself is a 30% move that would require BTC to drop below and potentially retest the likes of the 0.50 fib zone. From where we currently are, this is about a 15% pullback, and the way dominance is obviously moving, if we're kind of guessing, if dominance were to fall lower and BTC were to drop an additional 15%, this could actually be a realistic price target to be looking out for. Most importantly, the major support at 44.59, but I think that would be quite a sharp drop. If we have to go down to that, that's a 50% pullback. So I know there's a lot of bearish price action, but I've said this in hundreds of my videos. You guys really want to take a look at the historic price patterns for BTC, what it has done in the last bull markets, and obviously comparing to that. Obviously, if we're comparing the all-time high and pullback, from all-time high till now, it's nothing compared to what we have seen in the past. Because if we put the previous one into consideration, BTC goes down to the likes of $48,000. So again, one step at a time. Of course, Pepe still remaining as the top third, which of course is really nice to see. But obviously, we're going to take it one step at a time. We'll keep you guys covered. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.